Hello aspirants, welcome to KK MathTuber, Learn with Kiran sir. In this today video session, we will talk on the topic determinants KCET, Karnataka Common Entrance Test. So as I told you before that, from the topic matrices and determinants, on an average 5 to 6 question will be asked in the CET, and for sure for this coming examination also, so 6 question we can expect from this chapter. So therefore, from the topic determinants, we see that the reduced syllabus of this syllabus. So in this you can just look at properly. So what are the topics which has been deleted? Especially properties of determinants has been deleted. So no question will be asked from this. And similarly consistency, inconsistency and the number of solutions of linear equations by matrix method. So that also has been deleted. So we expect a question from the adjoint of a matrix, very important, inverse of a matrix, application of determinants and matrices, so that can be asked. Similarly, there are a concepts of minor and cofactors and the determinants, introduction part of it. So therefore, what is most important in this is understanding the adjoint of a matrix and the properties regarding that. See that if you look at the properties of adjoint of a matrix, so within 10 seconds we can able to solve a questions. So in this session, I will solve the questions of determinants in 10 seconds by observing the tricks, by observing the result which we will discuss. So let's start. Concepts on determinants. The first question, KCET 2020, last year question. So let us read the question. If matrix 2 1 3 2, so it is a matrix of order 2 multiplied with matrix A is equal to 1 0 0 1. So what is this? This is an identity matrix. Then the matrix A is. So that means you need to find out what is the matrix A. Got it? So here are the options. So while solving your questions, we will come through certain definitions, certain concepts that I will explain it while explanation of this solution of it, and wherever the tricks will be used, so that also will be explained accordingly. Okay, so let's begin now. So now tell me how to find out this matrix A. Look at, this is a matrix B into matrix A, and matrix A should be of order 2 only, so that you can see it from the option, and it should satisfy the condition also. So that means it is just like matrix BA is equal to identity matrix if and only if matrix A should be equal to inverse of this B matrix, right? So that means I have to find out what is the inverse of this matrix. So that is from this question, so matrix A will be inverse of 2 1 3 2. Got it? So how to find the inverse of a matrix? We have learned the definition of inverse of a matrix is nothing but 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. It is possible only if determinant of A should be non-zero, non-singular matrix, then only it is possible. And you can look at the determinant. What is the determinant of this matrix? So 2 into 2 is 4, 4 minus 3 is 1. So determinant is non-zero, so inverse exists. And here we need to find out adjoint of a matrix. So how to find adjoint of this matrix? So adjoint of matrix, so here I will give you directly how to find adjoint of a matrix. We know the definition of adjoint of a matrix. It is the transpose of cofactors of a matrix. So if ABCD is a matrix, then so if I write here A is equal to ABCD, then inverse of this matrix, or let us say that adjoint of a, let me write it directly, adjoint of a matrix A is given as, you should interchange the diagonal elements, so D and A, and the other elements take the negative sign of it. So directly we can able to find out if a matrix A is of order 2 containing elements A, B, C, D, then what is the adjoint of a matrix A? Interchange the diagonal elements. For other elements, take the negative sign of that element. You will get adjoint of A directly. So that means, come back to this. So what is your matrix A? Can I able to define? So matrix A is 1 by determinant of A. What is the determinant? It is 4 minus 3 times. So interchange the diagonal elements. The diagonal elements here are the same. It remain as it is. And this will be minus 1 and this will be minus 3. So find out and look at which is the right option. So anyway it is 4 minus 3 is 1. So therefore answer is 2 minus 1 minus 3 into 2. So 2 minus 1 minus 3 into 2. Option C is the right answer. So look at that, this can be solved within 10 seconds because matrix A write it as inverse of this matrix, and inverse of the matrix by using this technique, by using this result, I can able to find out very easily what is the matrix A. So in this problem option C is the right answer. Students, in the last question we have used a standard remark. Let me revise and repeat it, very important. So what is that remark? Let me write as a remark. So regarding remark is with respect to adjoint of a matrix. So if I write matrix A is equal to a matrix of order 2, elements containing A, B, C, D, then what is adjoint of a matrix A? Adjoint of a matrix A is given as interchange this diagonal elements. So that is D and A, and the rest other elements you should take the negative sign of it. So then you can able to find adjoint of A very easily within 2 seconds. You can note down what is the adjoint of A. And as we know the definition of inverse of a matrix. So what is A inverse? 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So for this, what is determinant of A? So that you can note down 1 divided by AD minus BC into adjoint of A. What is the adjoint of A? So here it is DA minus B and minus C. So this is the first important remark with respect to the adjoint of a matrix A. In the coming examples, in the coming problems on KCET, we will note down a few more important properties and tricks regarding it. Okay, first you note down this. So let's look at second question. That is again from KCET 2020. If A is a square matrix of order 3 and determinant of A is 5, then determinant of A into adjoint of A is option A 625, option B is 5, option C is 125, option D is 25. So let us see how to solve this. By looking at this, I can able to say what is the answer for this. If you know the remark, standard formula with respect to this, you can solve this question in within 5 minutes, 5 seconds. We can able to solve it. So let's look at what is that. So what is given? Determinant of A is 5. What is the matrix? It is a square matrix of order 3 it is. So we know the property that A into adjoint of A. So determinant of A into adjoint of A is nothing but determinant of A into determinant of adjoint of A. So that we can write it. So this is a simple property which you know it. So determinant of A is given, but determinant of adjoint of A, how to find out? So here is an important remark which you need to understand. So determinant of adjoint A is nothing but determinant of A whole power n minus 1. So here I will write the standard remark which you should write down this, because this is very important, where n is an order of the given square matrix. In this case, what is the order? Order is 3. Therefore, determinant of A into determinant of A whole power 3 minus 1. So that means, so now you can able to tell what is the answer for this. So determinant of A whole power 3. So determinant of A is given as 5. So that is 5 power 3, which is 125. So option C is the right answer. So this property is very important, which you need to write down and understand this without calculating adjoint of a matrix A. Anyway, because here matrix A is not given and it is not necessary also for us. So once you know this determinant of A, I can get the value of determinant of A into adjoint of A. So hope you understand, and this is your second important remark trick regarding the determinant of adjoint of matrix A, and this is also a property of adjoint of a matrix A. Got it? So now look at question number 3. So which has been asked in KCET 2019. So what is the question? If matrix A is equal to, it is a matrix of order 2, elements containing 1, 3, 4, 2, and what is matrix B? 2 minus 1, 1 and 2. So then, what is that question? Determinant of A into B transpose is, what is this value? It is 250, 100, minus 250 and 50. So which we need to calculate. So let us look at. In the last question also we observed determinant of the property of determinant of AB. So this can be written as determinant of A, determinant of B into determinant of B transpose by using the property of determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. And here you look at that determinant of B and determinant of B transpose both are the same. So both will give the same value. That means determinant of B transpose is nothing but a determinant of B itself. So this implies determinant of A, so determinant of B into determinant of B. So this is nothing but determinant of A into determinant of B square. So just you find out what is determinant of A, so determinant of B, you can get the solution of it. So here I will write down what is a determinant of A. So we know how to calculate. So 1 into 2, so that is 2, minus 3 into 4 is 12, which is minus 10, and the determinant of B is 2 into 2 is 4, minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, so therefore this is 5. So now come back, find the value of determinant of A into determinant of B whole square, so which is nothing but minus 10 into 5 square, so minus 10 into 5 square is 25, which is minus 250. So therefore, what is your solution? Minus 250. That means option C is the right answer for this question. And this can be solved quickly if you know this property. Quickly find out what is determinant of A. So how much time it takes? At a max of 2 seconds. Even determinant of B at a max of 2 seconds. Just to multiply it. Look at the option properly, because 250 is also there, minus 250 is also there. So when you solve and when you tick it, you should observe properly all the options. So don't be in a hurry. So therefore in this question, option C is the right answer. So hope you understand. So well students, so we have seen 3 questions, 2 questions which has been asked in the KCET 2020 and 1 question from the 2019. So if you observe this, so what is most important? The remarks, the results regarding adjoint of a matrix, regarding the properties of the determinants, small properties which you observed it. So therefore, in the next video, I will cover a few more previous year questions of the topic determinants and accordingly remarks which are important. In this remark, we have observed a determinant of adjoint of A is nothing but determinant of A whole power n minus 1. Determinant of AB is nothing but determinant of A into B we have observed. So like this, few more standard properties are there. So that we will take it in the next videos. And these, if you learn it properly, for sure you can able to attempt with accuracy questions from the determinants. And none of you should miss any questions from this, especially from matrices as well as from the determinants. So hope let us see in the next videos. So thank you everyone.